Hi friends, this is dictation for 1.3. Okay, go ahead. All you should have is paper and pencil, and let's get busy. Remember, I should hear you repeating the words and sounds that I say and the sentences. I should see you tapping the sounds, and I should also see you, after you read a sentence, you are going back, proofreading, circling your sight words, making sure that you say the sentence correctly and that you write the sentence correctly. Okay? Remember, anytime you write, you have to go back and make sure your hand wrote what your brain told it to. Okay? Okay, so first sound, go ahead and echo the sound I. Go ahead and write that sound. Number 2, echo the sound eh. Go ahead and write that sound. Number 3, echo the sound th. Go ahead and write that sound. Echo the sound sh. This is number 4. Write that sound. Echo the sound k. Write that sound. Okay, we're done with sounds. Anytime you need to go slow, stop the video. You can stop and start anytime you need to, okay? Alright, your next word, your first word, number 1, is Chet. Repeat the word. Chet. This is a name, so your letters should be capitalized. Okay, the first letter. Ch. Tap the sounds. Ch, et, Chet. Spell it on your paper. Number 1. Number 2, Bev. Okay, B-ev, Bev. Okay, number 3. Repeat the word. Pack. P-ack, pack. Make sure you tap the sound. Okay, now spell that on your paper. Number 4. Repeat the word.
It's 2 o'clock.
Repeat the word mesh. Mesh is like a covering that you put over something. Okay? Tap the sounds. E, e, sh, mesh. Okay? Go ahead and repeat the word thud. Thud is like a sound. Okay? Repeat the word thud. Tap the sounds. Thud, thud. Okay? Spell it on your paper. Alright, we are done with real words. Now scooch over to the next column and you are on nonsense words, okay? These words are not real, but they do follow rules, okay? First word is quet. 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 Go ahead and spell it on your paper. Remember, I should hear you repeating the word. I should see you tapping the sounds, okay? I am watching you. I'm literally behind you, okay? So, okay, do it correctly. Number 2, chib. Tap the sounds. Ch-ib, chib. Okay? Right, spell it on your paper. Number 3, fez. Th-ez, fez. Okay? Number 4, repeat the word. Dith. D-if, dith. Okay, go ahead and spell it on your paper. Number 5, this is your last nonsense word. Chep. Ch-e-p, chep. Okay, go ahead and spell it on your paper. Okay, so scooch over to the next column. This is your high frequency sight words. These words do not follow rules, okay? So don't try to tap them because you're going to not write the correct sound, okay? You have to remember the things that we talked about in class, and you also have to memorize these words. You have to work with them, okay? You have to read, and you have to practice the strategies that we use, okay? So number 1 is father. Go ahead and spell that on the line. Number 2, mother. Spell that on the line. Number 3, earth. Spell that on the line. Make sure you're repeating. After I say a word or sound, you have to repeat. Okay. Number 4, ocean. Okay. Number 5, friends. Okay, and add an extra line. Number 6, the word is laugh. Okay, go ahead and move on to number 1. Okay, on your sentences, repeat the sentence, okay, and then pause the video, and then write the sentence, and then mark up your words, okay? And also make sure you go back to your real words, your nonsense words, you mark all your digraphs, okay? If you have a chicken letter, circle it, okay? QU, make sure it's circled. All digraphs, make sure those are underlined, just like we practiced, friends. Okay, number 1. Bob got in the tub for a bath. Repeat the sentence. Pause the video. Okay, now that you're back, go ahead for number 1. Circle the word in, the, for, and a. Those are your sight words. Those should be spelled correctly. Okay, now go ahead and mark up your digraphs. Okay, moving on to number 2. Dad let Chet pack the bag. Go ahead and repeat the sentence. Okay, go ahead and pause the video so you can write it. Okay, now that you're back, go ahead and circle the word the. That's your sight word, okay? You should remember that, and it should be spelled correctly. Make sure you underline your digraphs. Okay, number 3. Ted met Bev at the shop. Okay, go ahead and repeat the sentence. Pause the video so you can write. Okay, now go ahead and circle at and the. Those are your sight words, and make sure you underline your digraphs. Okay, friends, that's the end of the video. If you follow directions, I'm pretty sure you did an awesome job. Okay, thank you so much for trying your best. You did a great job. Bye-bye.